All right, so if you're looking to get the 6-pack of glass storage containers and you have some questions, let me help answer those for you right quick. Now, the one question that most people probably won't answer are these really leak proof? Now, let me tell you, I have tested it, and what I love about the lids is that it does have this seal ring right here in it to help it seal airtight. And when you put the lid on and you start snapping it, you will notice that these snaps go up under the lip on the glass container. And so that airtight seal inside is sealed on the ring of the glass container. And then of course the snaps are going on the outside. And as you can see, I have my rice chicken gumbo soup that includes quite a bit of liquid in here. And I am just so confident in this. Let me not drop it though, that I'm gonna take it and turn it upside down and shake it round and round and tip it side to side. And as you can tell, nothing is leaking out on my counter. So they are absolutely leak free, which means they're not gonna spill if you're packing your lunch or anything with them, you're taking soup to work. They are not going to spill at all. Now, I love the actual size of these. They're 3 cups or 24 ounces, so they are perfect. This is 1 can of the Campbell's Chunky Soup. They're perfect for like on-the-go soups. And these containers, because they are glass, they are microwavable safe, dishwasher safe. You can put them in the oven and they are freezer safe. Now, of course, when you're putting them in the oven or the microwave, you're going to want to remove the lid. Those are not microwave or oven safe, but the glass containers are. Now, while I microwave my soup, one thing you might want to know as well is that the lids and parts that touch your food are made from food grade materials. And the separate hinge pieces is meant to be there to reduce hinge breakage. And these also came packaged very well. They were packaged with the bubble wrap in between each glass container, as well as some foam around it to make sure that they did not break or get damaged in the box, which I can absolutely appreciate. So if you're looking for round glass food storage containers, this is a solid option.